What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Wellington Motors in the Guelph Auto Mall. Riley again. I'm going to be showing you guys today how to connect the Bluetooth on one of these guys. So the first thing we're going to do is hit this phone button.
Available options are call, dial, phone book, redial, recent calls, SMS, emergency, towing assistance, setup or tutorial.
Setup.
Select one of the following: device pairing, confirmation prompts, select phone, select audio device, language, emergency, towing assistance, SMS incoming message announcement, phone book download, voice training, or reset.
Device pairing.
Do you want to pair a device, delete a device, or list paired devices?
Pair a device.
Refer to www.uconnectphone.com for a list of supported Bluetooth devices. Please say a 4-digit PIN number. PIN code 1234. Is this correct?
Yes.
Please say the name of the device after the beep.
P20.
Adding.
P20.
Is this correct?
Yes.
Assign a priority level between 1 and 7. 1 is the highest priority.
1.
P20.
Set to priority 1. Is this correct?
Yes.
Start pairing procedure on device.
And after you've set the PIN code, priority, and named your device, it'll show up in the available devices. We're going to pair to it. And now it's going to ask for our PIN, which we just set. I'm using 1234 as an example. You guys can use whatever you want.
Pairing complete.
This wants permission to retrieve, insert, send, and delete SMS messages. In order to get full capability out of the UConnect system, you guys need to hit allow. And that's a tutorial on how to set up the 6.5-inch UConnect touchscreen for your Bluetooth. So if you guys still have any more questions about the system or you're having trouble getting it to work, you can always bring it in and one of us will do our best to help you out and get it connected. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you again next time. Have a good one.